This time we have to solve this problem for alpha. Alpha is part of the fraction. It's in the denominator. Okay? So very first thing what I have to do, I have to eliminate the fraction. Let's copy this problem down. So if R1 plus R2 over RE plus R beta 1 minus alpha. I have to multiply both sides of the formula by the denominator. That's why I'm going to have R E plus R beta 1 minus alpha, okay, close parenthesis. And on the left side, I'm going to have exactly the same thing. My denominator, Re plus R beta 1 minus alpha. Okay, the denominator is going to be cancelled. So I'm going to have, and I can also add some parentheses over here also, brackets, just to make that different. Okay, and I'm going to have Re plus R beta 1 minus alpha, okay, times S equals R1 plus R2. I'm looking for alpha. Alpha is in the parentheses and in the brackets. Okay? Now next to brackets I have S. S is multiplied to brackets. So I can eliminate at this moment this S. Okay, so that's why I'm going to divide both sides equation by S, because division is going to eliminate my multiplication over here. So S and S will cancel out. Let's take a look what left. I'm going to have Re plus Rb, means R beta, 1 minus alpha equals R1 plus R2 over S. Next, I have alpha inside of the parentheses. Now, this term is added to Re. I don't need Re on the left side. So that's why I'm going to move this Re to the right side. That's why I'm going to have R beta 1 minus alpha equals R1 plus R2 over S minus Re. Next, my alpha is inside of the parentheses. I do not want to have Rb multiplied to the parentheses. Again, anytime I want to eliminate multiplication, I have to use division. That's why I'm going to divide both sides equation by R beta. R beta. Okay, so R beta and R beta will cancel out. Let's take a look what I'm going to have this time. I'm going to have 1 minus alpha equals R1 plus R2 over S minus Re, I can put this inside of the parentheses, over Rb. Okay? Now, I'm looking for alpha. I do not want to see 1 next to alpha. So, what I can do over here to make the life simpler, in order to make my alpha positive, because I have to find positive, I'm going to move this alpha to the right side. And everything from the right side, I'm going to move to the left. That's why I'm going to have 1 minus R1 plus R2 over S minus Re, everything is over Rb, okay, is equal alpha. Now, in order to make the problem looking simpler, I'm going to just write alpha equals 1 minus, okay, R1 plus R2 over S minus RE everything over RB. Okay, and this is going to be simply my solution.